What is going on, everybody? So usually when you think of beans, you usually think of these beans or these. And if you have a bad taste of beans, you maybe think of these. But today I'm gonna change your whole perception of what beans are. Today I'm gonna make a bean shotgun. So the plan is to get a CO2 bike pump, put it in the back of a tube, and then get a little slidey thing and a funnel to screw beans into. And then the beans are gonna go down in here. You're gonna pull this, close it to let beans in, and you're gonna click the button and shoot the beans out at your friends. And if you don't have friends, you can shoot the beans in your mouth, you can shoot them in a salad, or you can shoot them in your burrito. It doesn't really matter. You can shoot the beans anywhere you want to. So let's go and make this thing right now. All right, so I got some PVC pipe right here. Now let's go connect all this stuff. All right, so we got this part done. Now I'm gonna try to find a handle or something I could use for a handle. Because if you didn't know, when you press this, all the CO2 comes out and then this gets really cold because it depressurizes so fast. So I'm gonna try to make a handle or find a handle, one of the two. And then once I do that, I've gotta work on the bean cartridge thing. So let's go find a handle. All right, so I got the handle. Now I'm gonna try to cut the handle up so that I can cut it up with a Dremel so that I can try to make it so it's easier to click the back button without this thing in the way. And I'll probably end up cutting some of this off to make it sit on this more nicely. All right, so I cut a ton of stuff off of this. It just basically made it so it can get on and stay on here a lot easier. It also makes it closer to the button. So once I glue this thing on, I'm gonna work on the bean magazine or the bean hopper thing. I don't know what to call it because there's not many words for bean guns. So let's go get right into that. All right, so before I put the bean cartridge on the top of this, I gotta give it a nice paint job to really show that this thing shoots beans. So let's go paint this. Wow, this thing's looking nice. Wow. All right, so I'm thinking I'm gonna need to drill a hole and then make a funnel so the beans can just funnel down. So I'm gonna 3D print that or maybe try to make it out of pipe or something, but I'm not sure. So let's go do that. Ethan's shotgun is done. We're gonna shoot him in the mouth.
Wait, what?
He loves beans.
No, I hate beans.
So I'm gonna load the beans in and then shoot the beans.
I don't like beans. Do it again, do it again.
Bro, it's oozing out the side.
Oh!
Do it again, do it again.
That did nothing.
Do it again. What the hell?
Ew.
Alright, so as you saw from the last test, this thing failed, so I drilled a hole in here to make it bigger. And I've also got a testing thing set up. I'm gonna have the camera here. I'm gonna shoot it at that, and then I'm gonna have my sister shoot it at me and see how much damage these beans really do. So I've only got one cartridge left, so that should be about 3 shots. So let's make those shots the best shots I've ever made.
Can I shoot it at you?
Sure. I'm gonna take my shirt off from the back so I don't get my shirt stained.
I'm sorry, I didn't know the right thing.
We're all out of beans now, and my camera has beans on it. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I also want to thank you for the support that I've been getting recently. That's pretty crazy, like 20 subscribers within 5 days. I think my channel is growing the fastest it ever has been growing in a while. So thank you guys so much for that, and see you in the next video.